Hi, my name is Emily Patterson. I was a merchandise analyst intern for Southern Tide this summer. Some of my responsibilities included entering POs into Shopify's application called Stocky. I also had a project over the whole entire summer having to do with fixture capacity and sales throughout our retail locations. I secured this internship because I found an internship through Tommy Bahama, which is owned by the same company, and decided to also apply to the one through Southern Tide. It took about a month and a half. I applied at the beginning of February and I heard back in the middle of March. I interviewed with my boss, who is the head of planning and merchandising, and then also another merchandise analyst and the wholesale planner. What I enjoyed most about this experience was being able to see what the corporate setting is like within the retail industry. Some of the most important things I learned were how to use Shopify, Stocky, Excel skills, and also Power BI. Some tips for future interns is I would apply as soon as you possibly can into as many places as you can, because you want to have as many options as you can to set yourself up for success. Thank you.